If your taste buds look bored, you're a flavor wizard in need. Let's whip up some magic with Sambal Terasi. First, grab your ingredients: chili peppers, shallots, garlic, tomatoes, shrimp paste, lime juice, and a dash of salt. Ready? Let's get spicy. Start by roasting those chilies, shallots, garlic, and tomatoes until they're nice and charred. Don't worry, a little burn just adds character. Next, toss everything into a blender. Add the shrimp paste. It's the secret umami bomb. Squeeze in some lime juice for that zesty kick. And don't forget the salt. Blend it all up until it's smooth. And voila! You've just made your own spicy, tangy sambal terasi. Use it as a dip, a sauce, or even a spread. Just remember, a little goes a long way, unless you love the heat. Happy cooking, food lovers. Keep it spicy.